Introduction to CSS and CSS Color Picker. CSS defines how HTML elements are displayed on screen. CSS Color Picker is a tool for selecting and obtaining color codes for website design. It provides a user-friendly interface for color selection using the CSS Color Picker. Choose color visually from a spectrum. Tool provides corresponding hexadecimal or RGB color code. Input specific color values directly if you know the RGB or hexadecimal value. Types of color codes. Hexadecimal codes, 6-digit codes representing red, green, and blue components of a color. RGB codes represent red, green, and blue components in decimal format. RGBA codes similar to RGB codes with an additional alpha component for opacity. Tips and tricks. Use named colors. CSS has a set of 140 named colors for a more intuitive way of assigning colors. Use HSLA hue, saturation, lightness, and alpha for a more intuitive way of defining colors. Common error-prone cases. Incorrect syntax. Ensure to use correct syntax for color codes. Out-of-range values. Ensure color component values are within specified range. Forgetting transparency. Don't forget the alpha component when using RGBA or HSLA. The conclusion, CSS Color Picker is a powerful tool for website design. Understanding its usage and potential pitfalls can help create more vibrant and dynamic web pages.